options, press 0. What are
Tom,
you talking about?
before we go anywhere in the car or in the van, can we just let everyone know that we don't actually live in the van together? Because I feel like...
Why do you not want everyone to know that?
Well, I thought we weren't going to tell them that we were...
Why are you... If you don't love me, just say.
No, it's not that I don't love you. No, Tom, listen. Where are we off to today? Before we get in the van, because it's loud and noisy in there.
Dale's done his interior bits and it made me feel jealous.
So you thought you'd jump on the bandwagon?
Yeah. So we're going to our good friends at Deutschtech. Ben has had some nice seats sat around, some Renault Sport seats sat around that I've found a home for. So we're going to pick up one of the seats because one's at Reflex, one's at Ben's. We're going to pick the one up at Ben's and then go to Dave the Trimmers and talk about colours and trims and tings.
So we've just put up Deutschtech.
This isn't German, is it?
No. Just very cool. Oh, yeah, buddy.
They've got so much room under there, haven't they?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
You don't like big on video?
No, not at all. Not one bit. Yeah.
It's my haircut.
Yeah, I had it done fresh yesterday. I actually did.
I'll get half a share. Oh, he's got the other half.
Yeah. Oh, we just bought this to try and start fabricating it, but then you can fabricate it now.
Yeah.
For the Renault 5. I'm saying that, I think
There
they
it
bolt
is.
straight in, didn't they? Pretty much.
They bolt straight in, it's just high.
Yeah.
That's it, mate. You only get the frame and half a seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it. This is the deal that's done. This is the colour we're going for.
Yeah. Yellow.
Yeah. What do they call it? Deconstructed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Retro.
Nice. Retro works.
On the road again. On the road again.
So we are now on the Deutschtech Trimmers to pick a trim for it.
But what trim shall it be? Secret.
Well, I suppose we can show some of the colour, can't we?
Well, we can show a couple of colours and people can potentially make a guess of the colour in it.
West side is the best.
East side is the best. Where are we?
I'm trying to find the key for the van.
Oh.
That's Dave, the trimmer.
Where?
Hi.
Hi, Dave.
Patrick's not been with us long and drove the van for the first time the other day.
Not first time. Well, first long distance, I guess.
Oh.
That wasn't me. Mine was this one.
How can you tell?
How can you tell?
Because it's got the mark of the chalk on the tyre from where I hit the wall. Look at it. What do you think? I mean, you've already seen these, haven't you? You've got the other. You've had the other one.
Yeah, see.
I stripped it to that point as well.
Where do you want it?
Right then.
Okay, yeah.
Now that we're at Dave's.
That's Dave.
Hi, Dave.
Hi.
Should we reveal
Well, it's not really, we don't really
potentially what colour we might go for?
Yeah, because obviously the car that everyone's got in mind, that I've got in mind, had a blue interior, had a blue leather. So we're looking at Alcantara options just to make it a bit plusher, a bit nicer. Dave's got a couple of blues in stock that we're just looking at, see whether they're the right ones. What do you think?
Aye.
Yeah, so I mean, that's really blue, isn't it?
Hold it up against the seat?
What, you hold it up against the seat? What, like that, so you can't see the seat?
Yeah, perfect.
And unveil it.
Yes!
Because it is blue, but you reckon with the stitching and stuff it'll be alright?
Yeah, it'll pop, won't it?
It's mega blue.
I think you should do it. So, I mean, especially if you're going to be running two 15-inch subs as well.
Yeah, that's what it.
You can work the fabric all around the subs as well, can't you?
Absolutely.
Are we rear seat deleting or?
No, we're not. We're gonna. Well, no. It's a bit of build thing going on, so there'll be rear seats and audio and stuff. So yeah, which Dave will then trim around.
Very cool.
I think we'll probably get the Kenwood boys to make the subs, I suppose, and then you to bring you the finished items to trim. Is that how it would work?
Definitely. Yeah, give me something to trim and I'll trim it.
Cool.
Is that why you're called Dave the Trimmer?
Dave.
Actually, what is your second name?
Trimmer.
Middle name the. Actually, what's a nice little touch as well is the Porsche that's peppermint green in the background, and that totally wasn't planned. That's the colour that the 5's in at the moment. We could put it up. We could offer it up to the same colour.
Oh, see what happens. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, it looks so savage.
It's certainly going to get some attention, isn't it? Don't laugh. It's ballsy. I've got to do something to take Dale on.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dale's going for some lavish stuff. Yeah.
I'm going for 90s Colt Renault 5.
Wiki. But which side is the best side?
East side is the best. Okay, well, I mean, I don't want to say it's nice and simple. There's not, Dale's got door cards and a bench seat and a dashboard and a under. But for us, the Renault 5's got literally rear bench and now 2 new seats for the front. So the dash and stuff's plastic, which will keep to a degree. Some of them will be trimmed, I suppose. And then it's over to you.
What about door cards and quarters?
Yeah, I suppose there's going to be parts of them that will be trimmed.
Yeah.
Trying to keep some of the blue internal to it, and then having the original trim. So it's a little bit subtle rather than full on blue. Otherwise I'll be like this Papa Smurf.
Maybe that could be your nickname.
Look. Imagine if I do an Alcantara suit with a bobble hat.
And you could have the song Blue playing.
I'm okay,
well, to you then.
right, there you go. Congratulations.
Cool.
Over to you.
Let's get trimming.
We'll report back. Yeah, let's get trimming. Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that a green light for it?
Green light for it, mate.
That's it.
So that's the interior chose.
Yeah, it wasn't as dramatic as Dale's, but
No.
I think it's an exciting time for you to be choosing some colours and seeing what people's responses to the colour.
RESTECP. Respectpa.
There's only one choice we can do, isn't there, right?
There's only one way we can do it. There's only one way you can build a Renault 5.
It's good to chat to the trimmer boys. The colour is the colour. I can't wait for it to see it. I think you won't miss it.
No. Like, share and subscribe.
Like, stop making people do that.
Well, come on then.
No, you shouldn't force people into doing stuff like that.
I'm sorry.
Because if they like the content, then of course they'll follow. If they subscribe, they'll get notified about it. So they have the option. You shouldn't force people to do that. Remember, vote Team Tom.